If you would like to begin tracking a new activity on your HealthSignal account, such as dieting or exercise, you can do so with HealthSignal's Activities feature. By logging into your profile and clicking on your profile page, you can navigate to the Activities section, which is right next to Medications. From here, if you click on the Setup Activity button, it'll allow you to set up a new activity. You'll be brought to this page, and here is where you can choose the type of activity that you would like to track. For example, exercise, dietary, support group, or other activity. I'm going to go ahead and select exercise. Once you select the activity type, you then enter the name of the activity that you are going to be tracking. Once you enter the name, you can add a schedule to this activity just like you can with measurements or medications. By clicking the Add Schedule button and selecting what day you would like to do this activity, for example, daily, and the time. I'm going to select 8 a.m., actually 8:30. Okay. And then after you've entered the schedule that you would like to keep to, you can set yourself a reminder by typing in the amount of minutes that you would like to be reminded before you're supposed to do the activity, and enter any notes. Once you're done entering the information for your activity, click on the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. When you do that, you'll notice that this green tab shows up to let you know that the activity that you have just set up has been saved successfully. You will also see it now under your profile page and the section Activities. Here is where you can see all of the activities that you have set up. Here's the one that we have just set up. There's the name of it, jogging, the type, exercise, schedules daily at 8:30 a.m., and any notes that you might have entered. For example, I'm going to jog around the block once. If at any point in time I would like to come back in and edit this type of activity, so if I begin being able to jog twice around the block, say instead of just the once, I can come back in and click the Edit button, scroll down to the notes that I've written here, and I can now say jog around the block twice, and then save the activity. Once you do that, you'll notice here under Notes, now it says jog around the block twice. And if I go to my Logs page, I can now see this new activity that I've set up at the bottom right underneath Medications. There's Activities, jogging, 8:30 a.m., and once I run around the block, I just click this box here. The check mark will show up, which will signify that I have run around the block. And that is how you set up a new activity for your HealthSignal account.